Yes, yes. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Stiff what? Stiff what?
For real, stiff what?
Ooh, ooh. No what?
Stiff what?
Well.
No.
Yes.
No stiff.
No, none of that.
Shake.
What? Hi everyone, it's Nee-Nee. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, you guys, is going to be another hair review. Another hair video. This hair was sent to me by Beauty Forever, you guys. I already did a review for them a couple weeks ago. The Flexi Rod video I did, that was their hair as well. So here is another wig that they sent me. So we're gonna transform this because this right now is giving bougie auntie vibes and I'm not feeling it. So we finna do a little blunt cut bob situation because this ain't it. And I'm gonna do a glueless install. I'm not gonna do any spray, any gel, any glue, any of that. Just gonna be the what is it, the adjustable straps in the back. But yeah, I'm going to plug this, and well, y'all gonna see. If you want to see how I'm finna finesse this wig, make it look better, make it look a whole lot better, make it look better than what it look right now, definitely keep on watching. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and go ahead and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at PinupsAndPearls. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started.
Money. Everybody mad. Think I'm getting too much money. Everybody mad.
See, my face is so, oh my god, like I think I need to do a video on this look because this is just giving me everything. Like what? Wow. Okay, anywho, this is the wig, you guys, straight out the box. It's a body wave. It is, I got a 14 because I knew I was gonna end up cutting it into a bob because this is a T-part wig. It's not a lace front. It's gonna say lace front on the thing, but it's just, I mean, I guess it is technically kind of like a lace front, but it ain't. This is a T-part wig. This is all the parting space that you're gonna get inside that wig. So you can do a middle part. You probably could turn the wig to the side, do a side part if you want to, but we're gonna keep it in a middle part today. I'm gonna pluck the knots in the middle, just to open it up a little bit more. I'm not gonna pluck around the hairline because the hair is gonna be down, so there's not gonna be a need to see it. So yeah, that's all we gonna do. It's 150% density, the natural brown black color. I think I already said it's body wave, and yeah, the hair is really soft, like just like the what you call it, that headband wig I did with the Flexi Rods. This hair is like super soft. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my wig block and pluck the knots, pluck like some of these knots out, and then I'm going to straighten it and cut it. Alright y'all, so I went ahead and plucked out a little bit more of the hair in the part. I cannot get past this hairline, y'all. It just looks so crazy. Oh my gosh, I can't. I don't know, it's just the way it's flipped back for me. I can't. It's, oh god, oh my gosh, it's giving Count Dracula and I can't. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is take my hot comb and, oh my gosh, I got freaking makeup on my shirt. Oh, stupid. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is take my hot comb and press this down, and then I'm gonna take my flat iron and straighten the hair. Yeah, so let me go ahead and do that. Alright y'all, so I got the hair straight for, you know, the most part. I'm gonna go ahead and take my shears and I'm going to cut where I want my bob to be in the front, so I can just take my my clippers and just go all the way around and make it even. But I just want to make sure it's gonna be right. Make sure it's in the right spot. Let's see. Go kind of low first. See if that's the look that I'm wanting. Is that the look that I'm trying to give? Let's see. You know what? I think that's perfect. I'm gonna go up like 1 inch. All right. Oh yes. Oh girl, I'm so excited. Okay. Cut this side. Let's see. Yeah, that's gonna be it. Okay, so I'm gonna take the wig off and put it on my wig block and just cut even all the way around. Obviously that right there is not even, it's like going down, but I'm gonna cut it even all the way around, and yeah, that's gonna be it. Alright y'all, so here is the wig all cut and straightened and everything. Alright, so I'm gonna just go ahead and, matter of fact, let me just go ahead and cut the lace off right now, because I ain't finna cut this on my head. I'm just gonna take my shears and cut as close to the hairline as possible. Alright, so I got my straps tightened in the back, and I'm just gonna go ahead and slide this wig onto my head. And remember, I'm doing this glueless, so there wouldn't be no spraying of no got to be glued, no ghost bond, none of that. Alright, take a little piece right here just to kind of open that up a little bit so it don't look so straight. It's really giving me, don't ever dig your nails into me, don't ever. I'm just going through and straightening a little bit more just to get it how I, you know, to make it look right. It's gotta look perfect. Yeah. Okay, now I just comb my freaking eyelash. Lord, I'm about to say, Lord have Jesus. Lord have mercy. Alright, so I'm taking a little bit of my Bio Silk, like literally the smallest amount, rubbing it through my hands and just going over the hair just to give it a little bit more shine. It's a little bit more. Through it. Oh, my hair getting stuck to my lash. I'm like, what the heck is going on? All right. Oh my gosh, y'all know I love me a bob. Alright y'all, so here is the finished look of the wig, and y'all, did you call me? Excuse me, huh? Excuse me, what? Oh, okay, that's what I thought. Yeah, but y'all, this bob is so freaking cute. Like, I don't know, this bob and this turtleneck is really just giving me wintertime cuteness or something. But yeah, and the little pearl, that's a picture right there. I'm gonna take so many pictures, y'all. It's gonna be ridiculous. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to Beauty Forever for sending me this wig to style and showcase for you guys. I really appreciate it. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think down in the comments below about this wig and this beat, because I am gonna film a video on this look because I really like, really like this. Like, this is so cute. But yeah, go ahead and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at PinupsAndPearls, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.